Every day they pass me by, I can see it in their eyes. Empty people filled with care, heeded who knows where. On the go to private pen, living fair to fair. Love did hide their silent cries, only Jesus hears. People need the Lord. People need the Lord. At the end of broken dreams is the open door. People need the Lord. People need the Lord. When will we realize people need the Lord? We are called to take His light to a world where wrong seems right. What could be too great a cause for sharing life with one who's lost? Through His love our hearts can feel all the grief they bear. They must